How to fix horizontal lines on Android phone. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further delay, let's dive right into the video. To fix horizontal lines on Android phone, you can switch to dark mode. So you can launch settings app on your device. Now scroll down. Now tap on display and brightness option. This option might differ according to your Android device. As you can see that currently the display has been set to light mode. Select dark mode next to it. And then the dark mode will be enabled. This will minimize the visibility of lines on the screen if lines are visible. Also, the next method in order to fix this issue is checking for software updates. Open settings and search for updates. Here you will get a list of updates including software updates. Once you locate the option, open it and wait for a moment to ensure if there is any updates available or not. If there is, install it to address possible software issues. If the issue persists, it may be hardware problem, example as LCD panel, so you can visit a repair center for professional assistance. So that is how we fix horizontal lines on Android phone. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.